How to calculate University of Lagos Unilag Aggregate score, step-by-step guide for admission. In this video, you will learn how to calculate your University of Lagos Unilag admission aggregate score easily. Step 1. Divide your UTME score by 8. Example, assuming you have 240 in your UTME, divide it by 8. You are going to have 30 points. Step 2. Calculate your O-level grading point. So this is the sample of Unilag O-level grading point. If you have A1, you are going to get 4 points. If you have B2, you are going to get 3.6. If you have B3, you are going to get 3.2. If you have C4, you are going to have 2.8. If you have C5, you are going to have 2.4. And if you have C6, you are going to have 2.2. So any other grade that you have is not acceptable. The aggregate point is over 100. So UTME is over 50% of it. O-level is over 20 and post-UTME score is over 30. So making it 100%. To calculate your O-level grading point, so based on what the formula that we said before. So let's assume that you have 2A1 and 3B3. So you are going to have 2 times 4, which is 4 points for A1. That is going to give you 8 points, and 3 times 3.2 for B3. So you are going to have 9.6. So addition of this is going to give you 17.6. So post-UTME exam is over 30. So what you get in your post-UTME exam is going to be added to the O-level aggregate point and UTME aggregate point. So, and the minimum score the minimum score obtainable in the post-UTME is 12, while the maximum is 30. So let's say you score 25 in the post-UTME exam. So your final calculation or aggregate is going to be like this. So 30 in UTME plus 17.6 in O-level plus 25 in post-UTME exam. So your total aggregate is going to be 72.6. So, and this is going to determine your final chance when the school finally release their cutoff mark. So this is not cutoff mark, this is your aggregate point. So the school is going to release the cutoff mark. So your aggregate score determines your admission chance. Higher score is equal to better chance. Do you need help with your admission? Contact Aridunnu Consult Academy on 07031224199 or 07050649040. Bye. See you in another one.